Let me show you how to make the most incredible Kung Pao chicken. Start with diced chicken breast, the lean protein that absorbs all these amazing flavors. The marinade is crucial. Use a dash of pepper for warmth, 1 spoon of soy sauce for depth, 1 spoon of cooking wine for tenderness, 1 egg white for stickiness, and 1 spoon of cornstarch to create that perfect velvety texture. Just 15 minutes transforms ordinary chicken into something extraordinary. The sauce is where the magic happens. 2 parts soy sauce for saltiness, 2 parts vinegar for that essential tang, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for richness, a touch of black soy for color, sugar to balance the acidity, and cornstarch to create that glossy coating that clings to every ingredient. Toast Sichuan peppercorns in oil, anti-fragrant. That citrusy numbness is non-negotiable for authentic flavor. Remove them before the pan, then saute aromatics until the air itself makes your mouth water. Add fermented bean paste and watch as it transforms into the iconic red wine. Cook the carrots until just tender crisp. Then add the chicken back to the pan along with fresh cucumber and scallions. The final pour of sauce creates an instant transformation. Watch it thicken into a glossy blanket that coats every piece perfectly. The finishing touch is crispy peanuts for the essential crunch contrast. Serve over steamed rice. Each bite delivers everything: tender chicken, crisp vegetables, the complex sauce, and the satisfying crunch of peanuts. This is not just cooking, it is mastering a legend.